Chris Hansen. I'm still going through utter torture from this voice of God weapon, focused sound from the west, coming right from over in this direction here, straight in the side of my head. This lady blasphemer talking through it, and I can hear her talking from the far distance. He's giving some brutal descriptions of what's going on to him. I can't even think. It's got radio waves all through the back of my head about how he's being destroyed from the inside out. How would you like to just sit there and feel yourself being destroyed from the inside out while you're focusing this stuff on him, kid? Of course, it was the computer sounding. It sounded just like the computer talking from the west. It's definitely from the west, that's for sure. And it's definitely tearing apart my DNA. It's just shredding my brain. It's programming stuff in my brain. It's forcing blasphemies of the Holy Spirit through my head. It's causing major neurological problems. I'm shaking, I'm flopping around in the chair. It's every night, all day, all night.